Today is officially our last day here. Sobrang tahimik. To be fair, yung mga establishments nila dito, nag-open around 11 a.m. pa lang. Doon pa lang nagsistart. It's 11:05. Halos wala kang maririnig na tao. Mas maririnig mo pa yung mga uwak. Alam nyo ba, itong street na nilalakarin namin ngayon, during nighttime, sobrang vibrant nito. At saka, relatively maingay. I can already see people there forming. Kasi yan yung main Shinsaibashi Street. But look, sarado pa sila. Ngayon, mga bars yan open yan during nighttime. Last night, especially, it's a Saturday night. Daming tao.
Doc Mart.
Guys, we're currently inside GU. I'm trying on a couple of jeans kasi they're on sale for 1990 or around like 750, 800 pesos sa Pilipinas. So, sana maganda. Get this one. I love it. So much. It's in size XL. This dark blue wash is also so nice. I'm gonna get this. So, last minute budol in GU. Lagay lang natin dito sa basket yung items natin.
Can I see your passport?
Oh, sure. We got the goods. Alam nyo guys, kung mahilig kayo mag-shopping and pupunta kayo ng Japan, I would highly suggest that itaon nyo siya ng November because sobrang daming sales right now because of the Black Friday. Kahit isang store ka pumunta, may Black Friday sale sila. And nagkataon, nandito kami. So, nakaka-tempt talaga. I also do highly suggest na kung pupunta kayo around autumn or winter time, dito na kayo bumili ng mga panglamig nyo na clothes because mas mura siya para hindi sayang sa luggage space if you ever also want to shop for clothes here in Japan. Halos buong trip namin naglalakad kami dito every night. So, mamimiss ko tong magulo at masikip na streets ng Dotonbori. Last look before we leave. We're just trying to find a place to eat, guys. Ilagay ko na yung scarf ko kasi yung lamig. Oh? Siya automatic. Since may heater sila. Grabe, sobrang lamig today. Ito yung nasa harap ko right now. May chopsticks tayo. Garlic. Tapos, meron tayo. What's this? I think seasoning. May toothpick. May sesame seeds. Tapos, may tissue. Yan. Sobrang random lang namin ito nakita, guys. So, it wasn't in our list of must-try here. But, let's see, baka naman masatisfy tayo. Guys, nandito na yung order natin. Ang dami pala. Ang daming kasama na nung set. So, may rice na, may fried chicken, tapos meron pa tayong chicken soup. This is already a lot better than the first ramen we had here. Chicken chunks. I'll also try the chicken and rice that comes with it. Chicken, dip ko siya dito sa mayo that it comes with. Ayan guys, yung place. And it's just beside the ramen shop na may dragon. Ito.
Okay.
But that was a really filling and hearty meal. 10 out of 10 recommend. I have 2,000 yen left sa saan natin ito gagastasan, guys. Kiki! Let's say goodbye to the Glicoman. There he is. Bye, Glico! Guys, we're here in Daikoku. Ito yung favorite naming drugstore na puntahan kasi mura yung prices tapos maraming selections. Ayan, daming candies na tig 100 yen, 128 yen. Ayan, siguro magdadagdag pa tayo ng konti na lang naman. Ayan, madami sila dito. Snacks, chocolates na pwedeng pampasalubong. Uy, Shelly is this tea? Barley tea. Additional pasalubong, guys. At ito yung nakuha ko. Good luck na lang talaga. Paano mapagkakasya mamaya? Natawid tayo. Pauwi na tayo sa hotel natin. Tapos, ayusin na lang natin itong mga pinamili natin. Sana lang talaga magkasya, kundi mag-iiwan tayo ng gamit. Mag-iiwan tayo ng gamit dito sa Japan. Whew. It's so cold. Basa yung daan pala, guys, kasi umaambon kanina. So, sana hindi siya magtuloy ng malakas na ulan. We're back at the hotel, guys. Pinick up lang natin yung luggages natin. Ilalagay natin itong mga napamili nating additional stuff. Tapos, laban na. Babalik na tayo ng cakes. Sobrang nakakahagard. But we're back at the Nagahoribashi station. Guys, from here in Nagahoribashi, we'll be transferring to Tengachaya. We've already purchased our tickets. Hindi na kami nagpa-load ng Ikoka because may certain amounts lang kasi na pwedeng i-load and hindi naman na namin magagamit yung excess kasi nga pauwi na kami. So, we just opted to get the one-way ticket. Yan na yata yung train natin. Next stop is Tengachaya na, guys. Dito na tayo bababa. From here sa Tengachaya, umakyat lang kami. Tapos paglabas nyo, yan yung Nankai Line. Nahanapin nyo lang yung sign na Nankai Line. By the way, may stamp dito sa labas. So, nag-stamp na rin ako dito sa stamp booklet ko. And ang cute ng stamp dito, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung stamp ng station na to. Tengachaya. Guys, update lang. Pag akyat nyo ng Nankai Line, bibili lang kayo ng commuter pass kung hindi nyo niload yung Ikoka ninyo as far as I know. But nandito kami ngayon, pipila tayo dyan. Guys, it's 4 p.m. The next train to the airport won't be leaving until 4:09 p.m. So we have 9 minutes to wait. Kaya umupo muna tayo dito. Final stop natin is Kansai Airport. It's 4:47 p.m. Few hours before our flight, so we're still well within our time. Terminal 1 of Kansai Airport na tayo, guys. Ang lamig, guys. Nagmamoist yung salamin ko kanina sa Ginaw. Guys, update tayo. It's 6:17. Arigatou gozaimasu. Andito na tayo inside the Kansai International Airport departures. Now we're here at Pronto. Kakain lang tayo kasi meron pa tayong isang oras before we board. Meron lang kaming lemonade. Let's give this a good shake. I have salmon and cod roe pasta. Walking towards our gate. Guys, palakad na kami sa boarding gate namin. Tapos, na last minute budol pa tayo doon sa Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory. Napabili pa tuloy kami. We were supposed to board at 7:15. It's already 7:48. It's really now time to go home. Bye. Goodbye.